The computer-generated video sold by Rodriguez Fraile shows what appears to be a giant Donald Trump collapsed on the ground, his body covered in slogans. He spent almost $67,000 on a 10-second video artwork that he could have watched for free online. Last week, he sold it for $6.6 million. The video by digital artist People, whose real name is Mike Winkleman, was authenticated by blockchain, which serves as a digital signature to certify who owns it and that it is the original work. It's a new type of digital asset, known as a non-fungible token, that has exploded in popularity during the pandemic as enthusiasts and investors scramble to spend enormous sums of money on items that only exist online. NFTs could be benefiting from the hype around cryptocurrencies and blockchain, as well as virtual reality's potential to create online worlds. The growing interest also coincides with a surge in online retail trading during lockdowns. 5 months after its launch, the platform says it has over 100,000 buyers and nearly $250 million in sales. The majority of sales take place in the site's peer-to-peer marketplace, with the NBA getting a royalty on every sale. The biggest transaction to date was on February 22, when a user paid $208,000 for a video of a LeBron James slam dunk. Andrew Steinwald, who launched a $6 million NFT investment fund in January, warned that the majority of NFTs could become worthless in future.